Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to delete contacts on AOL Mail. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up AOL Mail. Make sure you have already downloaded. It will open up this kind of interface. Now tap on inbox icon on bottom. Now go to the profile picture on top left corner. Now here tap on contacts. Now here you can see a list of contacts. In order to delete it, tap on the username. And here again tap on this icon. And now tap on 3 dot as shown on top right corner. Now select delete. Once you tap on it, it will show you this kind of interface. Tap on OK. So you have successfully deleted contacts on AOL Mail. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.